Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, SmartAssistant. In this tutorial, we will discover how to enable Clipboard access alerts on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This option is a great way to increase the security and privacy of your data, as you'll be notified every time an app accesses the information you've copied. If you want to stay fully informed about everything happening on your phone, keep watching. So, first, find and open the settings on your phone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you see the Security and Privacy option, then tap it to open. On the Security and Privacy settings page, you'll see several options. Scroll down, and in the Privacy section, you'll see an option called Additional Privacy Controls. Tap it to open more options. When you get to this part, like I did, you'll see an option called Alert when Clipboard accessed. Tap the switch next to this option to enable it. Once you activate it, your phone will start sending you notifications every time an app accesses the data on your clipboard. This will allow you to better track which apps are using the information you've copied, further protecting your privacy. And that's it, friends. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, I'll see you very soon in my new video.